Body mass index, or BMI, is a number that tells you if you are a healthy weight for your height. It is calculated by dividing your weight in kilograms by your height in meters squared. BMI is a useful tool for assessing weight status in adults, as it provides a quick and easy way to screen for potential weight-related health risks. Maintaining a healthy BMI is crucial for overall health and well-being, especially for seniors. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes, and our nutritional needs evolve. A healthy BMI can contribute to increased energy levels, improved mobility, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. While BMI is a helpful indicator, it's essential to remember that it's not a perfect measure. Consulting with a healthcare professional is always recommended for personalized advice and a comprehensive assessment. While BMI is a useful tool for all adults, its interpretation requires special consideration when it comes to seniors. As we age, our body composition changes, and we tend to lose muscle mass while gaining fat. This means that a senior's BMI might not accurately reflect their overall health status. For example, a senior with a BMI in the healthy range might still have a high percentage of body fat and be at risk for certain health problems. Conversely, a senior with a BMI in the overweight range might actually have a healthy amount of muscle mass and be at low risk. It's important for seniors to talk to their doctor about their BMI and what it means for their individual health. For older adults, the definition of a healthy weight range differs slightly from that of younger adults. While a BMI of 18.5 to 24.9 is generally considered healthy for adults under 65, a slightly higher BMI might be more appropriate for seniors. Some studies have shown that seniors with a BMI in the overweight category, 25 to 29.9, may actually have a lower risk of death than those with a BMI in the healthy category. However, it's important to note that being overweight still carries health risks, such as an increased risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. Consulting with a healthcare professional can help determine an appropriate weight range and develop a personalized plan for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Section 4. A simple weight chart for seniors. While individual needs vary greatly, the following chart provides a general guideline for healthy weight ranges based on height for older adults. Height, feet and inches, and weight range, pounds. 4 feet 10 inches, 91 to 119 pounds. 4 feet 11 inches, 94 to 123 pounds. 5 feet 0 inches, 97 to 127 pounds. 5 feet 1 inch, 100 to 131 pounds. 5 feet 2 inches, 104 to 135 pounds. 5 feet 3 inches, 107 to 140 pounds. 5 feet 4 inches, 110 to 144 pounds. 5 feet 5 inches, 114 to 148 pounds. 5 feet 6 inches, 118 to 152 pounds. 5 feet 7 inches, 121 to 157 pounds. 5 feet 8 inches, 125 to 162 pounds. Please remember that this is just a general guideline and individual needs may vary. Section 5. Advantages of a higher BMI for seniors. While maintaining a healthy weight is generally crucial, there are some potential advantages associated with a slightly higher BMI for older adults. Firstly, a slightly higher BMI can provide a protective reserve against age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia. This muscle loss can lead to decreased strength, mobility issues, and increased risk of falls. Secondly, a higher BMI can offer a buffer against bone loss, a common issue in seniors, particularly women, leading to osteoporosis and increased fracture risk. Lastly, a higher BMI might offer a nutritional reserve during illness or periods of decreased appetite. However, it's crucial to emphasize that these potential benefits do not outweigh the risks associated with obesity. Maintaining a healthy weight within a safe range is still paramount for overall health and well-being. Section 6. Risks associated with a lower BMI in older adults. While obesity poses health risks, a lower than recommended BMI in seniors can be equally concerning, indicating potential underlying health issues and increasing the likelihood of various complications. One significant risk is malnutrition. Seniors with a low BMI might not be consuming enough essential nutrients, leading to weakness, fatigue, weakened immunity, and slower healing. Another risk is osteoporosis and increased fracture risk. A lower body weight can contribute to bone loss, making seniors more susceptible to fractures, particularly hip fractures, which can have severe consequences for mobility and independence. Furthermore, a lower BMI can be associated with frailty, a condition characterized by decreased strength, endurance, and physiological reserve. Lastly, a very low BMI can be a sign of underlying health conditions such as cancer, depression, or digestive disorders. If you or a loved one is experiencing unintentional weight loss or has a low BMI, consulting with a healthcare professional is vital to identify potential causes and develop an appropriate treatment plan. Section 7. Maintaining a healthy weight tips for seniors. Maintaining a healthy weight is a continuous journey requiring mindful choices and consistent effort, especially for older adults facing age-related challenges. Here are some practical tips for seniors to achieve and sustain a healthy weight. 1. Prioritize nutrient-rich foods. Focus on consuming a balanced diet abundant in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide essential nutrients without excessive calories, supporting overall health and managing weight effectively. 2. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can often be mistaken for hunger, leading to overeating. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help curb cravings and maintain a healthy appetite. 3. Engage in regular physical activity. Incorporate activities you enjoy such as walking, swimming, or gardening into your routine. Regular exercise helps burn calories, build muscle mass, and improve overall well-being. 4. Monitor portion sizes. Be mindful of portion sizes, especially when dining out or consuming processed foods. Using smaller plates and measuring out servings can help manage calorie intake effectively. 5. Seek support from loved ones. Enlist the support of family and friends in your weight management journey.